Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you this fall makeup tutorial. It's a burgundy smoky eye with gold, obviously, very golden, and it's all drugstore makeup tutorial. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. So I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer and my e.l.f. Concealer Brush, as always. And I already did this eye off camera. I was actually just practicing this look and on this eye, and I realized that it was so pretty, and I really wanted to actually keep it and like do a full face of makeup, so I just went ahead and just did my skincare with this still on and everything, so that way I could do my makeup. And I thought, why not film it and do it as a fall makeup look, because this is very fall. Yeah, I was practicing it for a video, but I wasn't sure if I was going to do it today, but I decided to go ahead and do it because it is so cute. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow and my Real Techniques medium shadow brush. I'm using a bigger brush today because since we're using such dark colors, I really want most of the crease along with the brow bone and the inner corner to all be set. So then I'm going to go first in with the Morphe JH39 brush. Oh, and I didn't even say what palette I'm using. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. This shade Crazy is the perfect burgundy color. It's amazing. So I'm going to take that, this brush, and just pack it on the outer corner and into the crease. And a little bit on the outer, and like on the outer lid here, as you can see also. Almost forgot to say that. So, for my blending shade, I just dropped my mirror. I'm gonna go, hopefully that didn't break. I'm gonna go in with that same shade Crazy, and I'm gonna go in, where is it, with Perfectionist. Pick up my mirror. It's not really like super brown, but it's not like pink or anything, so it's not gonna make the crease blend look really pink. So I just kind of go back and forth with both shades. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Crazy, like the tiniest tap, because the shade is really pigmented, and then go in with Perfectionist and blend up on top of the shade that we already laid down. And just blend, and see, that creates a nice blend because it didn't turn pinky thanks to Perfectionist. So I really like it. I like to go in with this, oh shoot, I didn't even tell you, this is the Morphe M421, the brush that I used for those two shades mixed. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe JH40 brush. And I just like to go in with a little bit of Living My Best. I think it's supposed to be like Living My Best Life or something. But I just take a little bit of that and go over the burgundy because there's like a little bit of red in it, but it kind of loses that and turns kind of purpley sometimes. So I'm going to go in with some red over so that way it has that reddish color in there, so it's not just like, it doesn't just look like a dark purple. So then I'm going to go in with, where did that brush go? These two products again that I used for priming my eye. Whoa, my thing is breaking. And I'm gonna cut my crease for my eyeshadow today. And just cover up the burgundy shadow that got on my lid with that. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to use the shade Talia, the bright yellow shimmery shade. And I'm going to take some of my NYX Bear With Me spray and spray that color to help it be really, really pigmented. And then I'm going to pack that on top of the base. Obviously this one is way more bright and glittery. I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Gold eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and this one is in Industrial Beam. And it is so gorgeous. I love it with like so many looks. It makes any look like 10 times better. I just love this glitter. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack this on top of where we put that yellow shade down. Okay, so I just cleaned off any fallout under my eyes and created like a little bit of a wing shape with the eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna go in and with my face makeup. So I'm gonna use my Acne Fighting Putty Primer. Okay, so I'm going to use my Covergirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 foundation. I just got this and I tested it in my last video. It's a really good foundation from what I saw that day. So I'm going to wear it today. Take my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge to blend that out. My e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer underneath my eyes. And in the center of my face. Just a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Outlast Extreme Wear Concealer. And I'm going to dot it on my acne spots. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette and my e.l.f. Angled Contour Brush. And I'm just taking this color. It's a perfect cool tone contour shade. I'm just going to use that to contour my face. And also my nose. Going with my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation in a powder. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush and just use that to set my acne spots individually to give extra coverage. And just make sure they're fully covered and set down. Use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm going to go in with my Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in Sunkissed to bronze my face. Even though this is kind of a cool tone shade still, but whatever. And I'm going to go in with this Blushing in Bali palette from BH Cosmetics. Take this light pink blush shade to blush up my cheeks. And then I'm going to go in with this shade Glisten right here to highlight. It's a really pretty light white gold shade. It'll match the look we have going on really nicely. I'm going to spray my face with my NYX Bear With Me spray. Okay, so then I'm gonna fill in my brows, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette, and this one's in neutral brown. And I'm just using this shade right here, the lighter, more ashy color, and fill in my brows with that. And I'm gonna set my brows with the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And I'm gonna go in with the Kokie Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in Gilded Gold. It's a really pretty gold eyeliner, and I'm putting that in my waterline. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. And then I'm going to use my Kiss So Wispy lashes. These are the number 11s, and I'm going to use my Kiss black lash glue liner. I popped on my lashes, and now I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna use the LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liner, and this one is in Flesh, which is a terrible name, but yeah, I'm gonna fill in my lips with that and basically wear it as a lipstick. And then I'm going to go over top with the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in Nude. It's a really pretty nude shade with like a little bit of shimmers in it. So this is the completed makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.